Hello, this is Original Craft Oasis where we embark on a sensory journey where art meets nature in a symphony of colors and texture. Join Original Craft Oasis as she unravels the hidden beauty within leaves, turning each episode into a visual masterpiece. From the gentle rustle of foliage to the intricate detail that often go unnoticed. This channel invites you to see the world through an artist's lens. Subscribe now and let Original Craft Oasis redefine your appreciation for the artistry in every scenery, one creative exploration at a time. Prepare to be mesmerized as we delve into the intricacies of creating a captivating effects. Grab your pencils, unleash your artistic spirit, and let's craft a masterpiece that leads off the page. Follow along with each stroke and discover the secrets behind transforming a simple sketch into a heartwarming visual delight. Without further ado, let the artistry begin. Let the layers of creativity unfold in this immersive artistic experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.